Welcome back to JDR Infotainment. Hello friends, I hope all are doing good by the grace of God. Thanks a lot for your love and support for my introduction video. Let's get into this video. ஏழை மனதை மாளிகையாக்கி இரவும் பகலும் காவியம் பாடி நாளை பொழுதை இறைவனுக்களித்து நடக்கும் வாழ்வில் அமைதியை தேடு நடக்கும் வாழ்வில் அமைதியை தேடு உனக்கும் கீழே உள்ளவர் கோடி நினைத்து பார்த்து நிம்மதி நாடு. In this video, I'll be covering what type of car to choose and what is the process to do self-registration of a car. In the next video, I'll be covering how to get license. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, what type of car to choose? My direct suggestion is auto transmission car. Okay, let's get into what is the procedure to get the car self-registration. I hope you will be having ID and address proof. Apart from that, you should have a very important document, that is a disability certificate. National Physically Challenged ID card or disability certificate. In Chennai, it is provided by Government Peripheral Hospital, KK Nagar. Driving ability certificate tells what kind of car you can drive. Okay, now you got this certificate, then you have to go to a dealer, ask the dealer to give temporary registration. This is very important step. If you are not going to do a temporary registration, then you are not eligible for invalid carriage. So be careful in this point. Okay, while negotiating the price, tell the dealer that you are going to register as invalid carriage and hence you are eligible for 50% reduction in own damage premium. Also, after 1 year, while renewing, ensure you talk to the insurance people and provide them the copy of your disability and driving ability certificate plus your RC book which mentions invalid carriage. They will provide you 50% discount. Get the document from your dealer like Form 20, Form 22, Form 19, whatever is eligible. You just get from your dealer. Get the car modified from an approved agency which has a type approval from ARAI. It's none other than Srivari Shankar in Chennai. Okay, I'll give you the description about Srivari Engineering Works in this video. If you are doing a registration yourself, get your car weighed at a weigh bridge and get the weight receipt. That is number one. Second, approach the local RTO with all the car related forms such as insurance, invoice, excise, sale letter, temporary registration certificate, Form 20 with class of vehicles as invalid carriage, NAMB filled by you which says what alterations you have done to the vehicle, ARAI approval, government approval as well as the certificate for the alterations and the workshop which conducted the alterations, address proof, ID proof, disability ID card and disability certificate, driving ability certificate, 2 copies of chassis number on 2 papers, covering letter requesting the RTO to register your car as invalid carriage and for tax exemption. My humble request is please do not approach any driving school because my personal experience, in spite of Srivari advising me, I approached driving school. That guy charged me 11,500. But when I approached Pundamalli RTO, that he is an awesome person. His name is Mr. Sampath Kumar RTO. He treated me like a king and I spent just 200 rupees to do my car as a self-registration. Okay, so let me reiterate again. First step would be to approach RTO and get his signature on the forms. Then he would ask the inspector to check your car and give his approval. Then he would ask you to submit the forms in the office. The registration charges are minimal since you will get 100% road tax exemption. Please note this. It's true. I have got 100% tax exemption. Be prepared to visit the RTO 2 to 3 times. It all depends on the RTO. But the RTO whom I visited I just visited once and that guy is an awesome guy. Okay, so overall right, like then you will be receiving your RC book within a month. Okay, so next video I'll be covering on the license procedure. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please share to your friends. If you have any questions, mention in the comment section. I'm happy to answer your question. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, it's JDR signing off from you. Have a nice day.